Is he ready for the commercial?
Yeah. Oh, hey there, it's me, Doody, and welcome to Doody's reaction today. Well, first up is the commercial of the birds.
Well, Dog Beaver, what did you say? You're gonna be the mobile phone? Like Verizon Wireless? How about AT&T?
No, none of those. I'm talking about the commercial, not phones.
Oh, sorry. The Angry Birds is on its way. Let's get this started from the bird commercial.
Sup everyone, it's Mr. Bollocks, and today, as you can probably see by the title, we're doing a commercial on birds.
Yay!
So yeah, everybody knows
This
what
is
birds
a
are,
mobile
like
app
most
game,
people.
Angry
They're little
Birds.
creatures that have wings and fly around. But these birds, which I have with me in the studio today, are a different species of birds, which you normally see. These birds are called angry birds.
Yeah, Angry
And
Birds.
if you're wondering why these birds are called angry birds,
Instead of
it's because
angry
they can get very
nerds.
angry very easily. If you want to make them angry,
yeah,
all you have to do is poke them with a stick. I will now demonstrate.
Please, if you have a bird at home, please do not try to attempt to do this, as it may cause you serious harm and possibly death. But that is very, very unlikely in this sort of situation. But anyway, back to what Mr. Bollocks is going to do.
Thank you, Lewis.
The bird's
Okay,
gonna
let's try
hurt
it
you.
again. Hey, I have a stick. I have a stick. I have a stick. I'm poking you. I am poking you.
Hit this.
You're not meant to be cheering. Okay, I'm back after my minor injury, so as you just saw,
I
try not
love
to do that
these
at home because
angry
it looks quite
birds.
dangerous, doesn't it? And I know what it feels like now. And another thing
I
these
can't
birds don't
believe
like
it by the
is
summer.
pigs. They hate pigs because
Well,
pigs always
summer,
steal their
well,
eggs, apparently. So
it's
luckily
actually-
there's no pigs in the
it's actually
studio with me
next
today,
season.
which is a good thing.
Yay,
So anyway,
our
we're going to go
next
through these
season.
birds. The blackbirds are used to explode. They're like bombs or grenades. They explode. The red ones are just normal birds, which basically you can fling on a slingshot. The blue ones, when they split into three, so basically they're good for like
The
aerial
power
attacks and
of
stuff.
3.
The yellow ones are for speed. They can go really fast through the air like a jumbo jet, except not as fast as a jumbo jet.
Ready, jet,
And the white
go!
ones are good for pooping eggs. They're good if you want to do another aerial attack on someone. So now we're going to chat to some of the people who I have sold birds to, and they bought them off
Birds
me.
against
So
the
let's get their
nature.
review. Okay, number one. What did you think of birds?
Well, if you want my honest opinion,
Yes, I want your honest opinion.
well, my honest opinion is they are good, but I enjoy the game a lot more.
There's a bird game.
Yes, it's called Angry
This
Birds.
is a
You can
bird
get it on
game
the
called the
iPhone,
Angry
Android, and all stuff.
Birds.
I know.
Cool. I never knew
But
about
tomorrow's
that.
Black Rhino.
Yeah, you can get it on your phone. What phone
What
do
is
you
that?
have?
April
I don't have a phone.
19th.
Well, you don't get it.
Wait a minute, I do have a phone, I forgot. I'll go get it in a minute. This is my phone. It's from 1985.
I don't think you'll be able to get Angry Birds on that.
The 1985? Yeah, that's similar for the Super Mario Brothers from the NES. Now back to the video, shall we?
Oh well, I'll try later on. What number do you have to dial to get it?
911.
911.
Okay, I'll
That's
do
what
that
I
later.
call a
Okay,
police.
customer number 2. What did you think?
Well, I purchased the yellow bird off you, didn't I? The speed one?
Indeed you did.
And, well, ever since I've had it, it's basically been darting around my house,
Well,
breaking
run,
all my
run,
vases
run,
and
as fast as
everything.
You can.
Vases?
You can't catch
The things that you
me
put flowers in.
because
Alright.
it's a
So basically,
joke.
it's destroyed my house.
So do you like them then?
No, I want a refund.
Sorry, no refunds.
Next person, what did you think? I never even bought a bird off you.
Let's just say you did.
I don't even know who the hell you are and what I'm even doing here.
You're here for a commercial. You bought a bird off me.
This is a
No, I
studio?
Yes you did. I
Yes,
remember. You
it's
gave
all
me
in the studio.
$100.
I never gave you $100.
Well, yeah, it looks like you did.
I never bought a bird off you.
Next person.
Don't.
What did you think?
Well, I bought the white bird.
Yes, the one that poops eggs.
They poop.
Yeah, I could have just said that. And it kind of caught diarrhea.
Oh, that's bad then, isn't it?
This is sickness.
Yes, because considering it poops eggs, when it had diarrhea, it was pooping all over the place. I couldn't stop it.
You
And now
need
I've had to get a new
scrambled eggs.
What did you do with the bird?
Well, scrambled eggs for
Sold it.
breakfast.
Who
Anyway.
did you sell it to?
This hobo in the street, they wanted it.
Why?
Yeah, I sold it to him. Then when I came back 2 hours later from the shops, he was roasting it over a grill.
Oh, right.
Straight
That's
as
all our
hell.
customer reviews on people who've bought birds. So, if you want to buy your own bird, you can go onto the official Angry Birds website, which I think is www.shop.angrybirds.com, where you can purchase one of these birds and even more.
One of these
So, thanks
birds
for watching the
does
commercial,
not.
and I hope you liked it. Now, I'm going to see if I can actually
Okay.
get Angry Birds on my phone. What was it? 9.
Okay.
1.
Self-decisions.
Okay, let's just see if it works.
Thanks for watching, everybody.